Hello guys, as you can see last week and this beginning of this Monday it looks good. So I have, for swing trading or for short-term trading, I have a short strategy that it is for 1 week, less or more. Now this strategy is good in this choppy markets where there is no big trends, so you have only small trends for 1 week or 2 weeks. So what is the goal of this strategy is just to get profit from these small trends, 1 week, 2 weeks. And in this strategy it will show you all the details, when to enter, how to stay, how many days to stay, depending on what you see on the chart. Okay, because you will never see the same chart for every stock, so each stock is different. So this strategy is adapted to almost all stocks. So when you see the strategy, you will begin to understand how to deal with these days. Now we are looking to go long, okay? We are not going to short, because as I told you before, shorting stocks in this choppy thing, maybe you have good news, maybe you have something, you will have a big trouble. So stay with doing just small trends, going long, but you don't stay that much. Now there is a way, if you want to stay as we do for other stocks, if the trend is going to be long. But most of I see in this months, except for the 3 months that I showed you before, when we have a very long 3 months trend, for example in Dow Jones. Now I have mentioned this many times. Now in this 2 or 3 weeks, you see that each 2 weeks the stock market go up, then another 2 weeks they go down, and then another 2 weeks go up, so it continues with what we call correction, or what we call retracement, or whatever they call it. Okay, so this strategy, it's training level 15. So if you go to my website, you will get an introduction, what is it about this strategy. And I have made it a long time ago, so my students are using it a long time ago for those people who don't want to stay long. Okay, now staying long, if there is a trend, this is the best you can do in swing trading, or what we call short-term trading. If we have a very long trend, this is the best. Okay, in my training you will find some stocks that they stay like 5 months or 6 months. Okay, but that time when we have good trends, but sometimes we don't have. So if you are interested in this strategy, it is a very short strategy. It has the same what we call the same techniques that we used before for training level 2 or training level 13. It's the same thing, but the only thing that it is different is that the way we stay, and how do we exit, and how long do we stay. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please check this training 15, and if you get interested, just to try it, because it fits what's going on right now. So thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.